China's cutting-edge defense equipment stole the spotlight at the 2024 Africa Aerospace and Defense exhibition in South Africa, drawing interest from international delegations. The Africa Aerospace and Defense is Africa's largest air show, and it opened on Wednesday, 11th of September.
It's very interesting to show the world that war or defense has really become highly technical, has become highly scientific, and therefore of any relevance, you have to move quicker on science and technology.
Chinese company showcased their top defense products, including armored assault vehicles, fast-track system air defense, and anti-missile technology.